Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to sew this flare jumpsuit with a crisscross neckline, which also has a keyhole effect at the middle. This video is for the sewing tutorial. The pattern drafting tutorial is already up in the channel. Do well to check that video out. I've used the pattern paper to cut out on the fabric I'll be working with, leaving allowance on every side. I didn't add allowance on the pattern when drafting, so I added all the allowance now here on the fabric when cutting it out. That's the front piece and this is the back piece. I'm going to remove the patterns now. We'll work on the main fabric. I also went ahead to cut out the lining piece each, like two pieces each, as you can see. I'm going to take the lining aside, then we'll work with the Ankara print. I'll place it this way. I'll be turning the bustier piece individually like this. I won't be padding this. You can decide to pad yours. So I'll place this way. Then I'll take one piece for the bustier area like this, front side facing front side, and I'm going to close this up like this. I'll repeat the same thing for this other side. I'll place it front side facing front side like this, and I'll do the same thing for the lining. I'm going to turn this individually as well. I've gone ahead to do that. I've done this. The next thing to do now is to join these two pieces together. And to do this, I'll place one piece like this, then take the other piece, face it this way, front side facing front side. And then I'm going to run a stitch like half an inch from this point to this point, just like this. And I'll repeat the same thing for the lining piece. I'll place it this way, front side facing front side, this way, and I'm going to close from this end to this end as well. I've gone ahead to do that. So this is the Ankara print, then this is the lining. So I'm going to turn this now with the lining, front side facing front side, just the way I'm doing. I'll spread this out, make sure everything is equal. Then I'm going to close from this point now, follow this shape and close it up. Then I'm going to close this armhole area as well, and also close this side and bring it back. I've gone ahead to do that. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to turn this to the right side. So I'll turn this to the right side this way. Once I'm done with that, this is what it will be looking like. The next thing is to iron this out. Now I've ironed this out. This is it. It's looking more relaxed now. So the next thing now is to join the front to the back. So I'm going to place the back this way. Then I'm going to take the front piece, place it this way. This shoulder area is supposed to crisscross each other. So I'm going to take this piece, place it to this other shoulder of the back, then take this part, place it this side. Then I'm just going to run a stitch on the shoulder, then close the sides using the body measurements. And that'll be it for the top part of this jumpsuit. Now let's go over to the down part of this jumpsuit. So I've gone ahead to cut out the lining for the down part as well. So I'm going to turn this now. I'm going to use the lining to turn the hem of the Ankara. I've done that. So with this now, we don't need to fold the hem of this jumpsuit because I've already turned it with the lining. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to close this up. So I'm going to bring the front piece, front side facing front side this way. I'm just going to run a stitch, close this up. I'm also going to do the same, close this up, and I'll bring it back. I've gone ahead to close this. This is the front part. The next thing I'll be doing now is to attach the pockets. I cut the little piece, like 4 pieces each for the pockets. I'm just going to place this way. You take one piece of the pocket, you place it this way, you measure 2 inches below, downwards rather, and then you make a mark. You place it this way, front side facing front side, and then you run a stitch like this. Then repeat the same thing for this other side. Take one piece, measure 2 inches downwards, place your pocket from that 2 inches and run a stitch as well. I'm going to repeat the same thing for the back part of this. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I've attached the pockets. I'm gonna head to attach the pocket. The next thing now is to close this up. I'll open this way. This is the front piece. Then I'm going to take the back piece, place it this way, front side facing front side. Then I'm just going to close. I will use 1/2 inch to close it up, just this way. Close it following the shape of the pocket, then close it down. Then I'll spread this inner part out. I'll spread it out this way. Place these two together, close it down. Repeat the same thing for this other side. Place it together, then using 1/2 inch to close. I'll repeat the same thing for this other side. Close following the pocket shape, then close it up. I've gone ahead to do that. I've closed it up. This is what it's looking like, and this is the pockets. And also went ahead to open up the zip area for this down side. I opened up the zip area. So now I'm going to bring in the top part so we can join it to make it a jumpsuit. This is the top part. I also left the zip allowance side open as well. I'm going to open this up. I'll open it up this way. Then I'll bring the down piece as well and open it up this way. The zip area is open as well. This is the center front. I'm also going to bring the center front for the top part. And I'll place it together this way. Then I'm going to close this up using 1/2 inch. I'll repeat the same thing for this other side. Match it together, close it up. By the time you close it up, and that is the jumpsuit. And this is the finished look. Thank you for watching. If you're yet to subscribe to the channel, do well to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this video, and see you all in the next one. Bye.